there, beauties! It's me, Rika, and thank you for watching my videos. Today, I am going to unbox Dr. Alvin Rejuvenating set. So, as you all know, I only use this twice a year just to clear up some dead skin and also after the lockdown in our area, I decided to go to Legazpi City to buy this Dr. Alvin product, and I was actually amazed that it was in a new packaging. So sabi ko, wow, new look, and para siyang gold bar. So na-amaze lang talaga ako, naganda na ako sa kanya. Look at that. So kung titingnan nyo, it looks like a gold bar or something. It has those imprint in there, the original rejuvenating set. And at the back, you have there the instruction on how to use the Dr. Alvin. And I don't have to go to the details of that. They're already included in lots of my videos that I have uploaded. So in today's video, I am just going to show you how this looks like. Okay, so if you'll take a look at that top part of the box, there's like a crown, okay, and it says Hari ng Rejube. King of Rejube. Okay, Hari ng Rejube. And at the bottom, look at that, a barcode or something. Okay, so let's take a look at the inside and see what's new. First thing that I see here is the rejuvenating cream. It still have the same packaging, the same sticker. I like that. It actually shows that this is original. Okay, original. Look at that. At the bottom, it says Dr. Alvin imprinted at the bottom of the bottle. So let's take a look at the next item here. We have, of course, our favorite still in its original packaging, orange packaging. It has Dr. Alvin all around the box. Okay, let's take a look at the inside of the soap. Still the same. It has a tear here thingy. Okay, Dr. Alvin professional skincare formula all over the soap. I love it. Okay, let's move on to the next item here. Inside, of course, we have the toner. I definitely love the toner because it takes away all the impurities, the blackheads, the dead skin, the dirt, and all. So it's still in original packaging. Look at that. It has the Dr. Alvin imprinted in the bottle. It has this imprint here in front, and I think this is the expiration date. It says June 30, 2022. And of course, the last one here, we have the sun block. Okay, so it also has an expiration date there. It has the sticker and procedure or the instruction on how to use this product. So that's all of the items inside this box. I'm gonna put them back again. So I think this is a very good packaging. I'm just so amazed with the golden box that I have. I think this is not new. I've seen videos of unboxing this Dr. Alvin Rejuvenating set on YouTube a year ago. So actually I'm very late in unboxing this, but still since I'm very amazed with the packaging, I still want to, you know, review and unbox this Dr. Alvin Rejuvenating set. So that's all for now, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.